with another amazing video. I hope you people are doing so well. First of all, I would like to say good morning to all of you. In this video we are going to give you some tips, and we are going to show you some design that you can make in your workshop or at home, and then you can sell it online on the e-commerce store and earn a handsome amount of money by investing your precious time in this wooden art technique. Wooden art and the project have been popular from centuries, and they continue to be valuable source of income for people looking to earn money online. Whether you are seasoned woodworker or just starting out, there are plenty of opportunities to sell your creations and in the interest and earn some extra cash for your kitchen. In this article, we will explore some of the best wooden art and the project ideas that you can sell online, as well as some tips for marketing your creation and building successful online business.
So keep supporting and keep watching, and do subscribe our YouTube channel for my next videos. So in our today's video, I'm going to show you some amazing do it by yourself scrap small wood craft ideas that will inspire you to reuse and upcycle your scrap wood in a better ways. So let's get started. Do it by yourself project are an excellent way to unleash your creativity and create something unique and personal. Scrap wood is a versatile and affordable material that can be responded into a various do-it-by-yourself craft, adding character and rustic charm to your home decor. In this video, we will share some amazing do-it-by-yourself scrap wood craft ideas that you can try at your home and do something different with your scrap wood. A rustic wooden wall shelf are a great way to add some natural warmth and texture to your walls. They are simple to make and can be customized to suit your decor style. To make this shelf, you will need some scrap wood, brackets, screws, and a drill. Cut the scrap wood to the desired length and sand the edges off to keep them smooth. Attach a bracket to the wall using screw and then attach a shelf to the brackets using screws. You can leave the wood in its natural state or paint it with a color and match your decor. A wooden pallet coffee table is a fantastic do-it-by-yourself project that adds a rustic touch to your living room. To make this table, you will need a wooden pallet, sandpaper, asa, drill, and some screws. Cut the pallet wood to the desired size and sand the edges to make them smooth. Attach 4 legs to the pallet using screws, and your coffee table is ready. A wooden wine rack is a perfect addition to any kitchen, dining room. It not only look great but also keep your wine bottle organized. To make this wine rack, you will need some scrap wood, a saw, sandpaper, and a drill. Cut the scrap wood into small pieces and sand the edge and make them smooth. Drill a hole in the center of each piece, making sure they reduce your carbon footprints. And we are going to tell you how to use your scrap wood in a better way, and then you can utilize in a better way again and again. So let's get started. Woodcraft have always been a popular way for people to express their creativity and showcase their skills. Whether you are an experienced woodworker or just starting out, there are endless possibilities. When it comes to crafting with wood, in this article you will be exploring some great woodcraft ideas that you can try at your home. One of the easiest and most accessible woodcraft scrap woodcraft for beginner is making scrap wooden picture frame. You will need some scrap wood, a saw, sandpaper, and some finishing products like paint and the varnishes. You can create frame at different sizes and the shapes and personalize them by painting or carving design onto the surface. They make for great gift and can be also sold as a simple yet beautiful product. Another simple and the trendy craft that you can make from scrap wood is a slice coaster. All you need are very small slices of wood, sandpaper, and some varnish. You can create a variety of design by painting or staining the slice by adding small details like cork or the felt.